Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they lack discipline. They lack structure. They drift. Success isn't about doing one big thing right. It's about doing small things right consistently. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step framework to help you set powerful goals. Take daily action and become the kind of person who doesn't just dream, but achieves. This isn't just motivation. This is a system. Let's begin. Define a clear and specific vision. Before you chase success, get clear on what it actually means to you. What does your ideal life look like? What kind of person do you want to become? Most people set vague goals like, I want to be rich or I want to be happy. But clarity is power. You need to define the details. Where do you want to live? What kind of work do you want to do? How do you want to spend your time? Write it down. Make it vivid. Your brain needs a target, not a wish. Because without direction, discipline has no destination. Break the vision into achievable goals. Now that your vision is clear, break it down into specific goals. Think of your vision as the mountain and your goals as the steps that lead to the top. Set long-term goals for the year. Then break them into quarterly and monthly goals. Finally, define weekly and daily actions that move the needle. Each small step should align with your big picture. That way, every day you're not just staying busy, you're making progress. Don't underestimate the power of small wins. Momentum builds through movement, not perfection. Build a daily routine around your goals. Discipline isn't about willpower. It's about structure. Your habits either serve your future or sabotage it. Create a daily routine that supports your goals. When will you wake up? What's the first thing you'll do? When will you focus on your most important task? Design your day before the day begins. Because if you don't run the day will run you. Start with a simple, repeatable structure. Mornings for focus. Afternoons for execution. Evenings for reflection. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a consistent one. Use time blocking and eliminate distractions. Your time is your most valuable asset. Protect it like it is. Without control of your time, you can't control your life. Use time blocking to schedule focused work sessions. 1 hour of deep focus beats 5 hours of scattered effort. Turn off notifications. Silence your phone. Close unused tabs. Create a workspace that supports focus. Let others know when you're unavailable. Discipline thrives in an environment of clarity. Give each hour a job where your distractions will. Develop discipline through small promises. Discipline isn't something you find, it's something you build. And it starts with keeping small promises to yourself. Wake up when you said you would. Finish the task you planned. Do the workout you scheduled. Every time you follow through, you build trust with yourself. And that self-trust becomes self-respect. And that self-respect becomes momentum. Start small. Stay consistent. Because if you can't keep small promises, you'll never keep big ones. Track your progress and reflect weekly. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you want to grow, you need to reflect. Each week, review what you did well and what needs improvement. Did you follow your routine? Did your actions move you closer to your goals? Use a journal or a simple template. Look at your wins, your struggles, and your patterns. Then adjust. Success is not static. It's a feedback loop. Reflection isn't about guilt, it's about growth. Manage your energy, not just your time. Discipline isn't just mental, it's physical. If your body is drained, your willpower suffers. Sleep like your goals depend on it, because they do. Fuel your body with real food. Move daily even if it's just a walk. Take breaks before you're burned out. Work in focused sprints, then recharge. Protect your energy like you protect your calendar. Because when energy is low, excuses feel louder and action feels heavier. High performers manage energy like a resource. So should you. Embrace boredom and delayed gratification. Real growth happens when you push through the unexciting parts. When you do the work, especially when it's boring. The gym gets boring. Meal prep gets boring. Saving money gets boring. But discipline isn't about excitement, it's about commitment. Learn to delay gratification. Choose results over impulses. Postpone the easy pleasure for the greater reward. When you master boredom, you master yourself. And when you can delay gratification, you accelerate progress. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. You can't soar if you're constantly surrounded by anchors. The people around you shape your mindset, influence your standards, and either push you forward or hold you back. If you're always around those who doubt, complain, or play small, their mindset will quietly infect yours. But if you spend time with those who think big, take action, and expect more from themselves, that energy will challenge you to rise. It doesn't mean you cut everyone off. It means you choose your inner circle with intention. Find those who inspire you, who hold you accountable, who don't let you settle. Whether it's one mentor, a group of peers, or even voices from books and podcasts, build your environment for growth. Success is not a solo game. Who you walk with matters, because iron sharpens iron and average dulls excellence. You're serious about breaking free from the average life and stepping into your highest potential then. This is your moment. Don't just watch this video. Act on it. Pick one habit from today's list. Start it today. Track it, protect it, and watch how everything in your life begins to shift. If this message spoke to you, hit that like button so the algorithm shares it with more people like you. Subscribe for weekly videos that challenge you, empower you, and push you to become the best version of yourself. And in the comments tell me, which step are you starting today? Let's build this journey together. Your future is waiting. Don't keep it waiting any longer.